Welcome back to our channel. Did you know that Beyoncé has over 70 different sources of income? Yes, you heard that right. Queen Bey is not just a singer, she's a businesswoman with multiple streams of income. And today, we're going to teach you how to do the same. Generating multiple sources of income is a great way to diversify your income streams, reduce financial risks, and increase your overall financial stability. Here are some ways you can generate multiple sources of income. First things first, let's define what we mean by multiple sources of income. This refers to having more than one stream of revenue coming in from various sources. It could be through a side hustle, passive income, or even investing. Now, let's go over the steps you can take to create multiple sources of income. Step 1. Assess your skills and interests. You want to choose income streams that align with your strengths and passions. This will help you commit to the skills and interests. Step 2. Identify potential income streams. This could include starting a blog, creating an online course, or offering freelance services. This will give you a bigger picture of the income streams and how to approach it. Step 3. Develop a plan of action. This involves setting goals, creating a timeline, and determining how much time and effort you're willing to put in. Step 4. Start a side business. Consider starting a side business that complements your skills and interests. This could be anything from freelancing to consulting, selling products or services online, or even starting a small physical business. Step 5. Start small and scale up. Don't try to do everything at once. Instead, start with one income stream and build from there. Step 6. Diversify your income streams. The key is to have multiple sources of income that are not dependent on one another. Step 7. Invest in stocks and other assets. Investing in stocks, mutual funds, and other assets can provide a steady stream of income. However, it's important to do your research and invest wisely. Step 8. Rent out property. If you own property, you could generate income by renting it out. This could be a spare room in your house, a vacation home, or even a commercial property. Step 9. Create and sell digital products. You could create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and software. This requires some upfront investment of time and resources but can lead to passive income over time. Step 10. Earn passive income from investments. Consider investing in rental properties, farm products, dividend-paying stocks, or other passive income streams. This can provide a steady stream of income without requiring much effort on your part. Step 11. Rent out your assets. You could also rent out assets you own like your car, bike, or other equipment that people may need to use occasionally. Step 12. Sell products through e-commerce. You can sell products online using platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. This requires an initial investment of time and money but can lead to a steady stream of income over time. These are just a few ways you can generate multiple sources of income. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key to achieving financial stability and security. Once you've created multiple sources of income, you'll start to see the benefits. You'll have more financial security, more opportunities to save and invest, and the ability to pursue your passions without worrying about money. Let's compare the lifestyles of two people. One person has only one source of income, while the other has multiple. The person with multiple sources of income has more flexibility, more free time, and more money to do the things they love. The person with only one source of income is more restricted, has less time, and is often limited in what they can do. So there you have it, folks. Creating multiple sources of income is not just for celebrities like Beyoncé. Anyone can do it with the right plan and mindset. Start small, be patient, and watch your income grow. That's it guys, and thanks for watching. If you find value in this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips.